So now the installation process has begun. We will see the first screen of how the installer will look like. Now just select install Ubuntu. So we just want to install the Ubuntu. We don't want to try Ubuntu because we have already known that it is one of the best operating systems for beginners. So here we will see the keyboard layout. We are okay with the English US. So continue. And yeah, we want the normal installation, so just continue. So now just select the first option, which is erase disk and install Ubuntu. So in this case we just want to install Ubuntu without worrying too much about the intricacies of the installation process. So we will just keep on continuing without any much thought, because Ubuntu has made it really easy to install the operating system, so you don't have to think too much. But once you are familiar with how the operating system works, you can just see what are the different settings of Ubuntu installation process, so that you know what you're actually doing. So here you just have to enter the name of yours. So it can be, let's say, Being Skilled, and then it will say computer name, which is Being Skilled VirtualBox, which can be anything which you want, and the username can be anything which you want, and then the password. So once you're done with that, just click on continue, and now it will just be copying the files, and the installation process will be carried on for few minutes depending on how fast your machine. This cat looks nice. So we have skipped a few downloading of the files because the system is running out of the disk space, but those things can be installed later. So for now we are just waiting for the Ubuntu installer to configure a few system settings. So once that is done, we will be able to use the operating system right away. So it is gonna take a few seconds more, and then we will be done with the installation process, and then we'll be presented with the first screen of the Ubuntu 20. So super excited about that. And finally we are done with the installation process. So it says that the installation is complete. You need to restart the machine in order to use the new installation. So restart now. Just close this and turn off the machine, and here we have the option of opening Ubuntu. So click on it or press enter, and the Ubuntu will start loading. So now this is the login screen. So just enter your credentials, and once you're done with that, the first screen or first load screen of the Ubuntu will appear. So here we are, we have this first screen of Ubuntu, and we can just skip all of this part and click on done. So this is the load screen.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.